I have shared the first version of this video for personal use. A lot of us said I should share the one for commercial purposes. So here it is, my darling. Hello, creative bangers. Let's clock it together. We'll start by making the wet ingredients. In a bowl, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. In the first video, we use eggs. To this one, we are not going to be adding eggs at all. But if at all you want to add eggs, this is the right time to add it, okay? Take your time and mix till the sugar is properly dissolved. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Now it's time to sift in your flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. Someone was asking me, why do you always sift your flour before making use of it? Sifting your flour introduces air into the flour, which makes the final product lighter and improves the texture. It also helps to break down stubborn lumps caused by moisture, reducing the risk of overmixing and excessive gluten formation. All right, after sifting the flour, I move in with the rest of the dry ingredients. The list will be on the screen. Okay, if there is any dry ingredients that you want to add aside from the one that I added, feel free to add it. Okay, go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. Now you can either add butter or margarine. Once that is done, moving with your fingers, start mixing till you form a sandy texture. Okay, now remember to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurements. I will also drop the list at the comment section. Okay, after mixing, this is what the texture looks like. It is time to move in with the wet ingredients. Okay, once you add the wet ingredients, you can mix with a spatula, but I prefer using my palms, or should I say my hand. Okay, the wet ingredients wasn't enough, so I added extra water. Please add to yours if necessary. Now to the first recipe, we did a lot of creaming. You need to watch that video to understand what is going on here. But this particular one, you don't need to over mix. You don't need to over cream. I mean, you don't need to mix for a very long time. Once the wet and the dry ingredients comes together, once you can feel a smooth texture on your palms, please stop mixing, okay, as you can see on the video. Once that is done, you are going to cover and allow to sit for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, voila, it is time to mold. Now, I rub some oil on my palm. Go ahead, mold and drop. Mold and drop. If you are with me at this moment, type mold and drop. Just like we did to the first video, mold and drop into a deep hot moderate oil. Beautiful shout out to you, Augustine, watching from Chicago, Mary Ibrahim from Malawi, Goretti from Canada, Camilla watching from Port Harcourt, Nigeria, and Gladys all the way from UK. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Alright, after molding and dropping into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Go ahead and flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once they are golden brown like so, the cuties are ready. Go ahead and take it off the heat. You just made for your customers something delicious, something unique, something yummy. Look at those cuties. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It turned out so well. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. I'm loving it. I'm sure you love it. Look at that. Now let's feel the texture together just like the previous one. I do not really see much different on both recipe. They look alike and they taste almost the same thing. Look at the feeling. I love it. Remember, if anybody can, you can as well. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.